Hello, I'm Tom Booker, Senior Instructor. Thank you for joining me. This tutorial is over our Kata Gohan-Mae. This is an all-Japan Iaido Federation kata using the samurai sword, the katana. We will look at this from the front. We will look at this from the side. Let's get started. Now this is a walking kata. I'm going to start by taking one step, two. On my third step, I'm angling the saya upward. I draw and come up into a roof block here. Then I'm bringing my left hand up and my fingertips are coming against the flat of the sword blade. And then I rotate through to here, clearing through. And then I'm bending my knees a little bit, dropping down into a supported cut straight down. My left hand is on the mune, the blunt back of the blade. I step forward, thrust, still keeping my left hand supporting the sword. Then I step back with my left foot, chiburi, and no-toe. I re-scabbard. And then back to where I started. Now, let's have a look at that going just a little more quickly. Now, let's take a look at that from the side. Now again, I start by stepping forward. 1, 2, 3. Then I'm drawing, I'm coming up into a roof block here. Now, I want to be sure that my sword is crossing over my shoulder, over my ear here, that it's not rolling back behind me, rolling forward out in front of me. It's lined up here. Then my fingertips come to the flat of the blade and I'm rotating down and through this way. Then dropping down a little bit and cut down and through. My left hand again is on the back of the blade, the mune. Stepping through, thrust, still supporting it with my left hand. Then I'm going to step back. My left hand comes to my side, chiburi, and no-toe. And back to where I came. Now let's have one more look at that. Again, we'll go just a little more quickly this time. And that is Yanban-Mae. Again, this is one of our all-Japan Iaido Federation kata using the katana, the samurai sword. Thank you very much for joining.